June 5th, card opening here at work. Ready for some dice. Famous 2. Bowman. 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10. We have a holiday. And finally, we have a 4. There's another holiday. And we will get started. So get everything out. Starting Bowman, 2003 draft. Gonna be pulled. Probably some of the best stuff you can pull from it. I haven't seen any color. Too significant in that one. Let's see what 2021 holiday has to do. There's our relic, Casey Mize Snowman. Jazz Cameron. Nothing specific there. It's just a Zerto Snowflake. Luis Garcia. Elena and Anthony Rizzo. So that's a Snowflake. I didn't see anything. I'll look at it later on, but I won't bore you with me looking at small numbers here. Finally, our blaster again is a Bowman 2022. This is my third one opening. Again, it is six packs, 12 cards per pack. Looking for that rare retail exclusive green parallel. I pulled a handful of them, but I haven't so far out of the 2 blasters I had. I did pull a Lenny Sosa first Bowman auto though. Brandon Marsh, Jake Berger. Dominguez. That guy looks different every single time I see a photo of him. I guess he is fairly young and he is still growing. Matt Manning, Colton Welker, Jose Ramirez, insert, Harry Davis, out of 299, Nico Cadavas, you see the 299 there, 11th round. Don't know anything about him, but it's a numbered card. Expect the numbered card. Chrome. Too picky, as they say. another numbered. Number 49. There's Martinez, Luis Gonzalez, Perez. Not doing too bad so far. 2 numbered cards in the blaster box. We still got 3 more packs to go. Man, the Rockies dropped another extra inning game. Just completely crapped the bed. Excellent Kovar. It's getting really frustrating watching those games. They've lost 3 against the Braves, and the Braves have not played good baseball for most of the series. They got 1 more. Ryan Vilade. Cabrera was a Marlin pitcher. He whooped the Rockies too. And was gonna whip the Rockies. And one last pack and we'll be done. Meyer. That's all we are. So, but all things considered, for this blaster, we didn't get the auto. Not a good list of prospects, but we did get 2 numbered cards. We had the blue Martinez and the speckled Cavadas. That's all for today. You all take care.